Assalamu alaikum, dear all students. Welcome to my another video online class. In the previous video, we have discussed about present tense with its another four classification, and today we will discuss about past tense with its classification. So let's start. So like present tense, past tense has also another four classifications: past simple, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. And now we are going to discuss about the structures of this tense with example. Okay, so let's start. Past simple. So the structure of past simple is subject plus V2 plus object, and V2, you should know the meaning of V2 in the chapter irregular and regular verbs, a detail sheet that I have provided you. There we have discussed about V1, V2 and V3. V2 is the past form of any verb. Okay, so example, I kept my promise. Here subject is I, V2 kept. It's just like kept is past form of keep, then object my promise. So I kept my promise. Okay, next let's go for the next slide. Past continuous, and the structure is subject plus was or were plus V1 plus ing plus object. So here as example, I have given they as subject, and as my subject is plural, so I have taken were. So they were, V1 ing is making, make is V1, and then I have added ing that has become making. Then object is a noise, so they were making a noise. Okay, then another one, past perfect, subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Okay, so here I want to tell you something, that comparing with present tense, we used to have, just like in present tense we were having problem with have or has, but in past tense, in past perfect, we don't need to be worried about that, because whatever the subject will be, whether it's first person or second person or third person or singular or plural, always you have to go for had. Okay, you can use had, and V3 always will be in perfect, whether it's past, present or future perfect. So look at the example. Our team had won the match. Here our team is subject, I have taken had, then V3 of win is won, then my object is the match. So our team had won the match. Let's go for the last one, past perfect continuous. Okay, so look at the example. Subject plus had been plus V1 plus ing plus object plus since or for plus time. And look at the example. Two examples I have given. First one is they had been waiting for the train for 5 hours. One example I have given with for, another example I have given with since. So they had been waiting for the train for 5 hours. And another one you can see, they had been waiting for the train since early morning. So when we will go for, when we will use for, look at the screen, when we are discussing about the period of time, that how long time we are going to do the work or we are doing the work. And since is the starting or the beginning time of the work. So they had been waiting for the train for 5 hours, example 1, and the another one with since, they had been waiting for the train since early morning. So that's all for today. You have to practice more and more at home, and as well as you have to compare the sentences with each other or the tense with each other. Then it will be easy for you to understand and to remember as well. Goodbye, see you in the next video.